Hello. If you want to mirror your desktop computer to your display panel, here's how you can do it using Activcast. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get the Activcast Sender Chrome extension on your Chrome browser. It should look like this. So you're going to go into Google and you're going to search Activcast Chrome extension. And this should pop up right here, the Activcast Sender. You're going to click on that and it's going to open, and you're going to click on Add to Chrome. Okay, mine's already added. So once you do that, then you will see this icon displayed in your browser at all times. Okay. Now, the next thing you're going to do is go to your board, and your board kind of looks similar to this. Here's your caravan of bubbles, and you're going to see a bubble that looks like this. It's going to say Activcast on it. So you're going to click on or touch that Activcast, and when you do that, then you're going to get this screen right here. And there are a few things here. This is your board ID. Okay, so it's going to have the ID number that you're going to want to look for. So you're going to go back to your Chrome browser, and you're going to click on the Activcast Sender. And hopefully you'll see your board appear right here in Auto Discover. And if that does not happen, then there's a couple of things that you can do. You can go back to your board and either enter this connection ID, which is this number right here. You would enter that in right here, or you might try the IP address, and the IP address is right here. Ours is not going to say corporate wireless. You're just going to see the IP address for your board, and don't forget to put in the dots. Okay, so once you do that, then you will and you hit this arrow, then you're gonna get a screen that says Start Mirroring, and you're gonna click on Start Mirroring, and then on your board you should see an allow or disallow. So on your board you'll have to click on Allow, and then you should be mirroring your desktop to your display panel. And whenever you want to stop mirroring, you just go to this tab again and click Stop Mirroring, and it will stop. Okay, hope that's helpful.